Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on NUBIA Neo 5G. So you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on manage your Google account. Now click on data and privacy and scroll all the way down. And now click on delete your Google account. Now click continue, and now you have to enter your lock screen pattern. Now scroll all the way down and mark these two checkboxes and then click delete account. And now your account should be deleted, and you can simply recover your account by opening Google Play Store, for example, and then click on sign in and enter your email address. Now I have to now this screen will pop up where it says that your account is deleted, but you can simply restore your account by clicking next. And now you have to enter your password. And now you have to click I agree. Now click accept. And as you can see, I'm logged into my Google account again, and my parental control is gone. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.